How to make your Instagram highlights private. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys in this video. So let's get started right away. Now, first of all, there actually is not an actual way to make your highlights private, but I'm going to show you guys the way that you can make your highlights the most private possible. So what you can do actually is if you add something to your story, let's say this picture, then you can also, instead of adding it to your story, add it to your close friends story. So if you click on there at the bottom, and then click on add to list, then you can add close friends to your list. So here you can either like add your actual close friends, or if you don't even want to, you can add a second account, or what you just can do is add something like PlayStation or something, because they are never ever gonna see your story anyway. So if you add like a huge account like Microsoft, or maybe even the Instagram account itself, like this, then you kind of make your close friends list private too, because they'll never see your story. So if you click on create list and then add this story to close friends, then nobody besides those two accounts can see it, but they're not going to see it anyway. So then you can simply add it to a highlight. So just say like new highlight and view on profile. And here you can see this highlight, and it's set to close friends only, and only these accounts can actually see it. So yeah, that's kind of how you can make your Instagram highlights private. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked. And I'll see you next time. Have a good day.